This is Wen Guo from Wen Guo Group. Today we're showcasing this beautiful rancher, California style living in the beautiful West San Mateo. Let's come and take a look. Gorgeous modern upgrades in a mature neighborhood. This updated home has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and a large office, all in one level. Perfect for work from home. Fantastic open chef kitchen was completely remodeled up to owner's high standards with stainless steel appliances and luxury features. And don't miss the breathtaking and show-stopping master bath, centrally located. Enjoy the close proximity to highway, Caltrain, shopping, restaurant of both San Mateo and Belmont. 各位你们好，欢迎和我一起参观38街的153号。现代化全新装修，3房2.5卫，开放式客厅、餐厅，宽敞明亮，厨房、洗手间全新高标准装修升级，还自帶大辦公室呢。後院果樹成蔭，輕鬆享受自家水果。通勤、行街、買餸、食飯都超級方便，一齊過嚟睇下啦！ Thank you so much for viewing the property with me. If you have any question or would like to schedule an appointment, please let us know. 感謝你過嚟參觀，如果有任何問題，隨時跟我們聯繫，我哋隨時喺度等緊你㗎。